Thao. So please, I am very honored to be on the same stage with Alicia. We kind of talked briefly backstage, and you know what? Okay, she is a very good artist. She can play guitar. And I asked her, hey, can you play me some Spanish music? And she said, hey, you know, I'm working on that. So hopefully next year she'll come back again. So Alicia, you want to say something to them? Because I see that you have a lot of fans in the audience.
I'm just extremely grateful to have so many votes and just to be here, honestly. It's my first time in Fresno, so yeah.
How do you like it here in Fresno?
I like it. It's very diverse and everyone's very friendly so far.
It's too hot! You know what? If you think Fresno is hot, you should go to Bangkok, okay? Bangkok is not just hot, it's sticky. Okay. How many of you guys have been to Wisconsin or Minnesota? Yeah, it is sticky. What about Miami? Miami, yeah, just like that. So if you think Fresno is hot, oh my God, just wait till you get to Bangkok, okay? Then you find out what hot is like. And I'm telling the truth because I'm from there. So okay, so Alicia, before I let you start your program, can you introduce yourself a little bit? How did you go from where you were, starting as a musician, to where you are, be the winner of HMF YouTube Rising Star?
I guess just the internet. I mean, I started music ever since I was young, just singing for musicals, open mics in school, and yeah, just submitting, and then here I am.
Okay. Well, you know what? I'm pretty sure HMF is very happy to have you here, and I'm pretty sure the audience is very proud to have you here. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let me give you guys Alicia Thao. Alicia, show them what you got.
So I wanted to sing something familiar, so this is from my round 1 submission. This is With You. Every day just goes quickly, out of my control. So just take my hand, baby. Travel the world. Just take a leap of faith, take a risk and let's go. Ain't no matter how far or near, I just wanna be with you. Days with you were slow, savor each moment. The way that you smile, baby, it's got me on edge. Just take a leap of faith, take a risk and let's go. Ain't no matter how far or near, I just wanna be with you.